everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today do a little walk around on the Weld 15 by 10 6.5 inch backspace Weld wheels. Got a set of Hoosiers 28 10.5 15 slicks and backspace. All the stuff on the channel that I've been putting on here today. Upgrade for the Mustang. Everybody like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Got those slicks going on. AJE tube K member with A arms. Team Z anti-roll bar. Maybe we'll stiffen this car up a little bit, maybe to get better traction. Does it get good traction? I think so. But maybe this will be doing a little better. Alright everybody, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think.